Hello, this should be the last video of this series. I believe the problem has been resolved. Yesterday on the 29th I received a package in the mail from GLK, and it was a replacement left assembly. And I wasn't expecting that package till like Thursday, so I was quite surprised to have it yesterday and quite happy. Today I replaced the entire left assembly and was able to go out for a little bit of a test ride with them. And I had no problems. It does not get stuck down when it's on the stand. And it performed as expected the little bit of testing I did. So I'm confident that this issue has been resolved, and I'm quite impressed with GLK customer service. Yes, the language difference and the distance difference is a bit of a challenge. But they do stand behind their product, and I'm confident that that this issue is resolved. I've also been contacted by another Goldwing owner that is also using the same gear on his bike, and he's been real happy with the performance and the durability. I believe this is a great product, and I believe you can have confidence that the GLK will stand behind their product and do everything they can to make sure you're happy with your purchase. And I just wanted to make sure I posted this video to be fair to their company. You know, just because I had a problem doesn't make them a bad company. Customer service is just as important as the product itself. And at this point, I'm very happy with the product. I think it's going to be a great help for me, and if you're interested in this product, I think you're safe to give it a shot. I don't think you'll be disappointed. So that's all I got for this, and thanks for watching.